Hello everybody. Today I'm going to prepare simple soup. It's barley. What I do is I blend a bit. I kind of grind up the barley so it doesn't take too long to cook, because usually the whole barley will take longer. Alright, so here I have in this pot garlic, and I have onion and a small piece of red pepper, and I'm stir frying this with ghee. So I'm going to stir fry this until it's nice and caramelized, the onion, and I'll be back. Alright, so then I'm going to add a pinch of cumin. Alright, so once it's caramelized, you're going to add your favorite stock. So I'm just adding some stock here. This is like half a cup, because if it really gets thick, right? So you're going to kind of sprinkle it all over first. Give it a stir so it doesn't come out lumpy, because if you just put it all at once, it will be with lumps. So you kind of pour a bit on the top, give it a stir, let everything disintegrate like this, okay? Now here you can add cilantro, fresh basil, however you want it to taste like. You just give it a stir before it heats up too much, because if it's really hot, it will be lumpy. This is going to boil like 30 minutes, right? But I'm going to add my potatoes. If you don't like your potatoes too overcooked, you can add it 15 minutes before. I'm going to add it together. I like my soup kind of thick, so I'm going to add it together. Okay, so next I'm going to put cilantro, some fresh cilantro in there. And remember, you have to stir often. Once it starts boiling, you have to stir often. I put it on high. Once it boils, then I put it on medium low. And you have to stir it every 5 to 7 minutes to make sure the bottom doesn't stick. And next I'm adding some potatoes. So cilantro and potatoes. And next, don't forget to add the salt. My broth already has salt. You see how delicious it already looks? It's totally yummy. Sometimes I add fresh zucchini when it's time for gardening, you know, those times. So I add fresh zucchini, or you can add some cabbage. I always mix. So then I'm going to wait until the potatoes are cooked and my soup is ready. This is a very easy soup. It only takes 30 minutes to cook the barley if you blend it into smaller pieces. Otherwise, it takes 1 hour. So I'll be back when it's served. Okay, so what I added was, okay, let's recap. Besides the stir fry, I added 4 cups of broth, and I added 2 more cups of water because I don't want it way too thick. So I added 2 more cups of water, and the potatoes, the cilantro, first of all, of course, the barley. Barley, you see how it's already getting thick and beautiful? It's getting beautiful and thick, and that's how simple it is to make a beautiful, yummy, warm, thick soup. All right, my friends, so here's the results. You can put more cilantro, fresh cilantro. It will look even more pretty. And as you can see, it's nice and thick. Not too much, not too thick, and not too thin. Just the way I like it. I hope you like this simple video. I know the stir frying, I should have started from the beginning, but it's the same as always that I do. I stir fry garlic and onions for the flavoring, of course. I saute it until it's nice and caramelized. And then I start adding the rest. I hope you like this small video. Hope you try it out. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.